Do you or your staff spend a lot of time waiting around or being let down by tyre fitting services? Are you fed up with outsourced services taking ages to get you back on the road and removing what could be a valuable added value service from your profit margin? Would you like to be in control of your own fleet, where your staff are out on the road instead of in the workshop? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then why not take a minute to look at this complete tyre fitting and wheel balancing solution from Draper Tools? And who knows, you could then provide a lucrative additional service to your own customers. This semi-automatic tyre changer works with wheel rim diameters up to 23 inches, tyres up to 40-inch outside diameter and 14 inches wide. It comes ready equipped with a filter regulator, tyre inflator, tyre lever and clip-on alloy wheel protectors. The fully motorised turntable, self-centering pneumatically operated clamping jaws and bead breaker all make changing conventional tyres quick and easy. Additional features like this anti-skid pad protect tyre walls and wheel rims. This semi-automatic motorised wheel balancer can handle car wheel and tyre combinations up to 43 inches in diameter or 65 kilos in weight. It has a conveniently located control panel and numerous wheel weight storage pods and an integral rim width measuring arm. It's also supplied with 4 centering cones, centering shaft, wheel weight pliers, hub nut and rim width calipers. For easy manoeuvring, both of these machines are delivered on pallets. So why wait for other services to get you back on the road when we've got the solution for you?